Hello everyone, Homer from Shenzhen TouchThink company. Now we are in USA for the Automate 2025. You're welcome to visit our booth at HAL E9014. It's an honor to introduce our product to the global users. Look, here is the new launched Z-series product, including the industrial monitor and industrial all-in-one panel PC, which supports easy and quick installation like inner embedded, wall mount, embedded. As the intelligent control terminals, they are widely used in the 3D manufacturing, robot arms, motion control systems, CNC systems, and laser processing equipment. The standard product from 7-inch to 32-inch with the aluminum enclosure, IP65 front panel. The standard product supports DC 12 to 36 volt input. The self-developed and research motherboard provides more stability performance. The product supports both ARM and x86 structure. The ARM structure using the Rockchip processor like RK3568, RK3399, RK3576, RK3588, which support the Android and Linux operation system. The x86 structure with the Celeron J6412, N97, N100 series, and also the Intel Core i3, i5, i7 from 6th generation to 12th generation, which support Windows and Linux operation system. Take a look at this 51.6-inch outdoor all-in-one panel PC with 1000 nits brightness, auto dimming, optic bonding, and UV coating touch screen, -20 to 70 degree working temperature. Those functions to ensuring clear display at night and daytime. Avoid the risk like fogging, black screen, or the flickering screen. It is a good choice for working under the harsh environment. Range of our product with the CE, RoHS, FCC, and UL certificate. The product shipping to more than 70 countries. TouchThink is a team with more than 420 employees, 12,000 square meter production base, the China National High-Tech Enterprise, the China National Little Giant Enterprise, the trusted Shenzhen famous brand. You are welcome to visit our official website and follow us on the social media. Welcome to TouchThink.